Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring Localdb is running. This is why starting the instance is the first action. Open a command prompt, run SQL Localdb info to list instances, then start the one you need with SQL Localdb, start MSSQL Localdb. Once done, copy the instance name or named pipe shown by SQL Localdb info MSSQL Localdb. You need that identifier for Ssms. Make sure you run these commands as your user because Localdb runs in your session. This avoids permission mismatches later. You now open Ssms and create the actual connection. This is how you reach the databases. In the connect dialog, enter the server name exactly, for example, Localdb, \MSSQL Localdb, or paste the named pipe from SQL Localdb info. Use Windows authentication because Localdb authenticates your Windows account. Once connected, navigate to databases to attach an MDF or run a create database. For attach command, doing it this way ensures the engine owns files correctly and avoids common file lock issues. You finish by verifying the connection and testing a simple query. This proves everything works. Execute select DB name or query sys databases to see your database list. If you cannot connect, first run SQL Localdb, start MSSQL Localdb again, and confirm the instance name. Localdb must be running in your user session. Make sure Ssms is launched as the same Windows user. Mismatch sessions cause failures. If problems persist, check named pipe permissions and any local firewall rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.